To the marketing dashboard. Down here I have two saved campaigns, and realistically what I've done here is I've got a campaign for one city and I need to make it for another city. So I click on the campaign itself. I go, instead of save, I click the little down arrow here and click save campaign as. Then in here I name it the next city. So let's just say Fly Pittsboro. And I hit save as. Now, obviously, a few of these emails that are in that campaign, I need to now update things like subject lines, maybe content or something like that. So then I go in here to more details and I just change what I need to do. So in here, Pittsboro, and click the edit button here. And then I'm doing Frankfurt in June, so we're going to do Pittsboro in July. I just want to make sure that I change everything. So look closely and make sure you're paying good attention to what you're doing. You know, here, if it's, more expensive, I change the price. Let's say April. If I need to change any of the links, I can do that. Save changes. Save. My first one's done, and then I just move on to my subsequent ones after that. So I like that subject line, but obviously in the content itself here, link. Again, if I need to change any of the links, if this link is specifically for flying a hot air balloon in Frankfurt versus Pittsboro, I change those links as well. Awesome. And then, oh, there's a subject line that needs to be changed. Click the pencil and change there. Update that. Cool. So you kind of get the gist there. So I just need to go through and make sure that I have all of my emails changed. Again, once you do that, make sure to hit save and then double check your work. So go in here, and again, once you've hit save, just double check it. You may even want to enroll yourself early in the campaign. So let's say today, I'm not going to send this out until next week, but today I want to test it to myself. So I'm going to go to my account card, if you will, and go down here and say, oh, not there, excuse me, I'm going to go here. I'm going to say enroll Troy in the Fly Pittsboro campaign from Tony and start it today, so that, again, today I get that first email. Maybe you won't send the Fly Pittsboro email out to your group until next week, but get it today so that you get those emails so that you're checking them before they go out, and just in case anything's wrong with them. Hopefully that makes sense. Again, that is how to duplicate a campaign and get ready for your next set of emails. Check out our support blog or email support@address2.com if you have any questions whatsoever. And don't forget to join us each and every Wednesday for our Q&A training sessions at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. Thanks for watching.